to execute with that?
Yeah.
Alright. So we wari versi khatan gaya si khadke liaya tale te chabe. Apa Punjabi chabiyan nu chabe bhi kehte hain. Te bhai wari versi khatan gaya si khadke liaya tale te chabe. मैं क्या जोर देना ताली ते बजा रही हूँ स्टेज पे आने वाले हैं साडे सुरेश कापे. Everybody, let's put your hands together. The power of free consultation, a man who really underdrives the deep into understanding the poor and cons. So why and why is not? A seeker, avid learner, and of course with natural way of healing, I'm now ready to help others. So big round of applause. Let's welcome on stage Suresh Kabe. Come on everybody. मैं क्या ताली के बजा लो? Come on. Thank you.
Start with good morning, that's what Nature has said. And even in a healer's group, even if you meet at night, we always say good morning. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, and a very warm good morning to my Go Nature community members. I have been already introduced, but a small introduction of mine. I'm Suresh Kape, coming from a small place called Goa, which is known for sand, water, tranquility, and of course, destination value. Also, we as a people go on known to pamper a lot of love, affection, gifts and surprises. Few of them I will be doing today also. So let's delve into the topic that I've been told to speak. But let me start with a famous quote by a famous personality. He said, healing is a matter of time, but it is also a matter of opportunity. Any guesses which person was this? As I said, I am surprised for that. Sir, any guesses? I think there one person is there. Yes, he's right, absolutely right, gentlemen. Here, can you please go? As I said, there is a surprise. You can pick it up. At the end of the session, I'll be giving you from none other than Vishal sir, father of modern medicine. Yeah, just keep it with you. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much for participating. So, healing is a matter of time, but it is also a matter of opportunity. How you grab that opportunity, make the best use of it, that matters the most, and the success lies there. Why am I saying this? Because we all have gathered today on one common platform, that is health and nutrition. So let me narrate a small story, rather a journey of mine with Go Nature. I still remember that day when I was driving down from the outstation to my hometown. I usually like to listen to the podcast or a live webinar if I'm part of that community, and I still remember that day was Wednesday. We had a special guest to be there, and it was none other than a special guest, Vishal sir, who was supposed to talk on naturopathy. He was very lovable, audible. I listened to him. I think the day he spoke more on the element of water, the right way to drink water, the structure water, TDS. And as the session was getting end, there was a window of opportunity or one-to-one session to be had with him. He said, we are opening for only 25 people. Whoever grabs it, takes it. And I just don't want it to miss that. And I just stopped the car, grabbed the phone, and to be very honest, when I saw the mobile, I really fell for his sharpness. Handsome guy, better than Amir Khan, isn't it so? I said, I cannot miss this. Even the 10% of his skin texture can change me. Come on, I said, I need to. So I booked the time, the date, and that day also came when I had a one-to-one consultation with him. He came, he saw my history, he said we can definitely make geography out of it. That is the healing process. He said there are 2-3 things you need to avoid and say no to it. I said, okay, I'm here. The first atom bomb came when I was talking to him, no MRP. Now I know MRP is maximum retail price. I thought he must be selling some product. I said, okay. As we moved on, the second atom bomb came. He said, no murga. no bakra, no anda, no chicken, no mutton, no egg. I said, okay. As we moved on, the greatest atom bomb came in my journey. He said, no khamba, no bottle, no alcohol, no beverages. Place like Goa, wine, dance, drink. I said, okay, we can go with this journey. So I said, okay, and then he said, you got to make a decision. We are busy after that. We have already booked slot for 6 months. So you need to make a decision because we are booked after that to all the superstars of Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan. As we know, this is the urgency speech created in the Diamond group. I said, okay, sir. I said, still I need 2 time. He said, after 2 days, we will get back to you. I believe Prajwal or Pranav, somebody connected to me. He said, sir has given your history and we have done a geography also. This is what you are going to pay and this is how the journey is going to go. I said, Prajwal, still I need 2 days time. He said, no, nothing going. We have only 1 day. As you know, we are booked for 6 months. I said, I know, Amitabh Bachchan, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, sir is busy. Because I needed time to ask my family members and them. But one thing was sure, if I start this journey, I knew that I need to find a room in the hospital after 6 months. जो घास फूस खाता नहीं उसको क्या मिलेगा और क्या खाएगा? But I asked my family members. She said, my wife and my mom, you can take this journey, but they reconfirmed my assurance with a rubber stamp, saying that 2 things definitely you'll do if you go with this journey. One is the hospital bed, and second is the graveyard. The fellow who wakes up, eats non-veg, and every day fights for it, you think you'll survive? I said, let's try. I've been suffering with this sickness for so long. Then a call comes from the Prajwal. He says, sir, what you have decided? I said, I need time. He said, no. I said, then it's no from me. Because of the disbelief, thinking that this may not work for me. Then he said, sir, we would like to have an exit interview. I said, ye kya together? Sir wants to know why you don't want to join. Maybe he knew that something can work out. He came and he said, Suresh, you know, he challenged my thought process. He challenged my thought process, saying, if you do not get results, that is healing, don't bother about any kind of a payment. मेरे भाई मन में तो लड्डू फूट गए। दिमाग में एक ही गाना बजता रहा, फ्री फ्री फ्री, ले लो भाई। But fortunately, unfortunately, he proved me wrong. फ्री का तो सब चला गया, but I said, this journey has to be taken, and here I am standing in front of you. You know, a complete 360-degree change from the mindset, from the health, and the perspective of life. And it happened only for one person who had believed that he could do, and I could believe because of his conviction power. Sir, I would like to add one more thing to you. The day you were born, it was raining heavily. The day you were born, it was raining heavily. How do I know? Ask your mother. Auntie जी, बारिश हो रही थी कि नहीं हो रही थी? बहुत तेज हो रही थी। आपसे ज़्यादा जानता हूँ। डायमंड का मेंबरशिप रिफंड करना पड़ेगा। The day you were born, it was raining heavily, but it was not the rain. It was the sky who was crying bitterly because it had lost one of the most beautiful stars, and that star was you. You were the star to come to create this community, the community of a belief to live 100 years without medicine, without supplements, and we are all to the same stature of it. Yes. A great applause goes once again to the real star. It would be unfair if I do not talk about this person, rather. But before I say something, any guesses who won the FIFA World Cup 2022? Yes, very true. You also get a surprise from me. Ria? It's Argentina. The star who created history. Maradona हो गया भाई, मर गया. Lionel Messi, and to some extent the Golden Glove, Martinez. But the real success to create that history was the coach, the similar name, Lionel Scaloni. Sir, you've been architect of this Go Nature, but the real success of this Go Nature goes to your well-trained digital coach. To see this foundation remains firm and strong, and she's none other than Jyoti ma'am. Round of applause to her. She's been amazing, ever ready, you call her anytime, and that effort can be seen for kind of a pain she has taken for this sport event. Thank you ma'am for being in my life, and to everybody. Thanks a lot. The journey, a great thanks to dietitian Kajal ji. She's been always there, she's been experiencing our. And also extend to Akshata ji. She's been always there in this journey of mine to help me, motivate me, and to tell me every time, do not leave up. You will be there with a complete different perspective of your life. I also want to carry on this thanking for this diamond membership which we have joined. Our group name was Healers Group. Was suggested by none other than Shikha ji. So I request our diamond member, Mr. Vipin Holatra, kindly stand up. He's the one I learned so much from him, the best entrepreneur skills, the ideas, and one more thing, he knows spontaneous humor, joke. किसी को heart attack आना है तो उसको call करिए. Anybody in sorrow, please call. I challenge 500 rupees. If it doesn't make you laugh, please take money from him. Thank you, Vipin. Thank you. I also want to call out our diamond member Shikha. She's been exemplary, outstanding, very close associate to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 25 crore का लोन सैंक्शन हुआ है मेरा. सर जी कुछ लोन होगा तो very powerful lady है. Thank you, Shikha ji. The dynamic, enthusiastic, she has been, inspiration to me. Our Healers diamond member Kumari Kusuma ji. Thank you very much for all that support, love which you have given me. I've learned so much. Our one more diamond member, Shikha, she couldn't be here due to personal family commitment. So she has been also outstanding in this journey. I would also like to extend this to none other than the person, diamond member, and I call him scientist. And I think, yes, everybody will know. The scientist who is there in this group. Of course, none other than Rapol ji, for such a beautiful experience with us. Many times he's come in the group to guide us. So thank you very much, all of you. God bless. Hope I have not bored you. Thank you.
That a new star is born from Goa, isn't it? What a powerful speech! So let me finish the entire story. So I said to him, I still remember that day, if you don't get the results, don't pay me, or if you have paid me, I'll just refund you 100%.
And the topic was power of free consultation.
The power of free consultation. So this was the hope, and because in my heart I knew the problem he's having, the sinus from 20 years, the shoulder pain and all these things, it can just reverse just by putting MRP. So confident in my mind, yes, I can definitely heal him. But today he's not just a gold member, he's a diamond member and an aspiring nutritionist. So this is the power of free consultation, right? So correctly said, one more time, a big round of applause for Suresh Kave, the star from Goa, the star from India. Amazing. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Please be seated.
What the surprises I'll be giving them in the evening from Sir.
Surprise gifts, free surprise. Yes. So you have a surprise gift from Suresh side.